Hey folks, Dennis Martin here, and we're here testing out the EOT's upper chambered in the 458 SOCOM. As you can see, this is all integrated into the handguard. This is just a normal length M4 style AR-15, and this is one of the quietest big bore suppressed uppers I've ever shot. And I've got a dB meter set up over here, so we're gonna run a couple rounds through it and let you hear it, and I'll read off what it's reading on the meter. So here we go. 116.2. 116.2. 116.1. 114.5. 115.3. So you can tell by those numbers, that's pretty quiet for a 458 SOCOM, and you can check these out. They're going to be showing these off at the NRA show coming up here in April. So if you get a chance, come by the booth there at the NRA show and check out EOT's new Patriot line of integrated suppressed uppers. Thank you for watching.